Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are cooking a delicious dinner. Join me in the kitchen as we prepare a mouth-watering dinner featuring flavorful shrimp, tender fish, fried potatoes, and fresh vegetables curry. Firstly, we clean the shrimps by deveining and clearing dust from head. Clean the fish, slice and chop vegetables, and ingredients are prepared. Marinated salmon with dry oregano, basil, and soy sauce. Marinated fish with pinch of salt, turmeric, and wine. For fish, after marinated, we leave it for a while and cook with the air fryer. While fish is cooked with air fryer, we prepare for vegetables curry. Grinded garlic, onion, ginger, and minced shrimp are added equally to two different vegetables curry. We added ginger only to the pumpkin. Mix well until the ingredients are blended with vegetables. While cooking vegetables curry, add water little by little. We added tamarind water for the sour taste and then add chopped coriander leaves to the drumstick curry. For the shrimps, we simply stir fried. Turn the fish over and grate again for 8 minutes. For marinated salmon, first grate for 6 minutes, then spread soy sauce for the good taste and color. After that, cook for 4 minutes. We continue cooking for the remaining side dishes. Grate tomatoes and eggplants in the oven. Peel eggplants and beat the egg. We simply fry the eggplants with the egg. Fried garlic and green chili inside the pan to boost the smell. Grind green chili, dry shrimps, garlic inside the grinder. Peel the tomatoes and minced. Add minced tomato, squeeze lemon, and then sprinkle the chopped coriander leaves on the top. We cook another side dish, fried potato. We simply boil the chopped potatoes and fry with the oil. Now all the dishes are ready. These simple tasty recipes are perfect for family dinners or weekend meals. We had cooked everything from scratch step by step. From this video, you will pick up plenty of tips to make your own dinner truly unforgettable. Kitchen is clean after the cooking. Now it's time for dinner. If you enjoy cooking videos and easy dinner ideas, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes every week.